So Wednesday, March 22nd, it's been a long few days here. So I've got the backer board in, had to put concrete anchors in there. So we've got the backer board in. I've mounted the electrical box. Unfortunately, that's a 1-inch knockout for the main number 6 cable there. And I got a 3/4, so I'm going to have to take that back. I got the gas line ran over to the bathroom. I had to completely reframe the ceiling, 16 inches on center. It wasn't framed that way. Ran the gas line down here. I've got to get a fitting. I finished up the shower pecs. Could have used a 10-footer, but we'll see what happens. What else? I got the vent down up here. It's kind of hard to see. We got an 1.5-inch vent, which you can see up here. It goes up to the kitchen sink cabinet and out. For the fan here that I'm going to be installing, I've got just enough room. You can probably see that hole right there. I can reduce it from a 4-inch to a 3-inch, and I can get right by this. And it's a straight shot, so I'm not worried about reducing it. That vent probably goes, 5 feet, maybe 6. So that's what we've got done so far. The fan, got to put that in, and then we can start worrying about the shower. So anyway, that's it for today.